In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Street Fighter 6 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. This will help us a lot. And once you have done that, go to your Google search bar and search for Steam, because we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can go to another website. So go to the search bar, then type in Street Fighter 6. Once you have done that, select it and scroll a little bit down. As you can see, this game is currently €29.99, but it is a limited offer, so after that it will go back up to €59, and it's quite a lot for a game which you don't know if you like it. So what I suggest is go to our video description. There is a link with find the game here, and once you click on that you will arrive at this website. Then we will do the same as on Steam, search for this game. Now select games on the left side, and after that sort by lowest price first. And as you can see, this game is already a lot cheaper on this website. And what you need to do is basically go to this one. This is the most cheapest one. It needs to be marked green, then it's able to be activated in your country, so make sure that is green. Then click on the game. After that, purchase the game for just €22.23. And once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps and a Steam key to activate this game on Steam. So basically what you do is purchase this game, go to Steam, use the Steam key to activate the game, and you download it from Steam. So it's the same game but much cheaper. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Hopefully these tips were very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!